Hi, I'm Kevin Bradway. I'm here talking about the TSR telescoping strut that Caddy has out. Some of the benefits of the strut itself is it's telescoping. So when I say telescoping, it goes from 12 inches all the way up to 20 inches. So from 12 inches out to 16 inches, it can handle 300 pounds. When you get to 16 to 20, it can handle 200 pounds. There's a couple different options too that you can get with this. You can get it with the 3/8 nut that's on it, captive nut. You can also get it with just a slotted. So it's slotted if you're building a trapeze and you need to put it in the middle is an option, or just the single hole itself. We also have the option too where it has the rod lock on it. Now what the rod lock is you can actually install when you have your rod already up in the air, and it actually pushes and locks in. So there's no screwing. Now what you can do to back it out, you manually back it out then to do it. Like what we're showing here. So those are the 4 different options that you have with it. Some of the benefits of using this is going to be 20 come in a box. There's no cutting, there's no deburring. So you get out to the box, you can adjust exactly what size you want right away by looking at this because it has all the measurements on the back. You can lock this in if you need to, or you can remove this. If you look at the end, you'll notice that it looks exactly the same as your standard strut. And that's because they are identical, so it doesn't matter when it comes to your clamps. You can use your standard clamps on this and it works for it too. If you'd like more information about the Caddy telescoping strut, please contact your local Warner account manager